To convert this division into multiplication, what do? We move this 3 up and you put this 2 down. Hello guys, this is Uncle DJ from Mathematical Series for Junior and Senior Secondary. Today we are going to be learning how to divide fractions. If today is your first time on this channel, you're welcome. Remember in the last class, I gave you some couple of home tasks on multiplication of fractions. These are the answers to those questions. The final answer to the first question is 4. The final answer to the second question is 12. The final answer to the third question is 4 whole number 4 over 5. The final answer to the next question is 14 all over 15. The final answer to the last question is 2 whole number 3 all over 8. Now let's get back to the topic of today, division of fractions. Now let's try to divide 3 whole number. This whole number divided by a fraction, which is 1 all over 2. So to solve this, first of all, try to convert this whole number into a fractional form to make it easy to solve. So we write 3 all over 1 divided by 1 all over 2. To convert this division into multiplication, you twist this second fraction upside down. You place it upside down. So it becomes 3 all over 1 times 2. The denominator becomes the numerator. The numerator becomes the denominator. It becomes 3 all over 1 times 2 all over 1. So the numerator becomes 3 and 2. And the denominators are now 1 and 1. So what do you now do? You multiply the numerators. 3 times 2 is 6, where the denominator is 1 and 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So the final answer becomes 6. It's quite easy. Now let us work some couple of tasks so that we will be able to understand it better. Now the very first question is 9 1 all over 3 divided by 2 all over 3. So when we have something like this, first of all, it is very important that we convert the mixed number into an improper fraction. How do we do this? Let's convert this mixed number into a proper fraction. 3 times 9 is 27, plus 1, 28. 28 all over, then this 3 right under. So it becomes 28 all over 3, divided by 2 all over 3. So now, to convert this division into multiplication, what do? We move this 3 up and you put this 2 down. So it becomes 28 all over 3 times 3 all over 2. Now it is a lot easier. What do you observe? You observe that there is a common factor between this numerator 3 and this denominator 3. And the common factor is what? 3. So let's divide both the numerator and the denominator by 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. 3 divided by 3, 1. So now, do you observe another thing? Yes. There's a common factor between this numerator 28 and this denominator 2. And the common factor is what? 2. So let's divide both the numerator and the denominator by 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. 28 divided by 2 is 14. So we now have new numbers. We have 14, 1 at the top, and we have 1, 1 below. So let's multiply the numerator and the denominator. 14 times 1, 14. 1 times 1 is 1. It becomes 14 all over 1. 14 all over 1 is something as 14, which is our final answer. Let's go to the next question. 10 divided by 5 whole number 2 all over 5. So this is 10 whole number 2 all over 5. What do we do first? We convert this 10 into a fraction by putting it all over 1. It becomes 10 all over 1 divided by this particular mixed number here. You don't use it like that. What do? We first convert it to improper fraction. And let's do that now. How do we do that? 5 times 5, 25, plus 2, 27. It becomes 27 all over this 5 that is here, right under. 27 all over 5. So we now have 10 all over 1 divided by 27 all over 5. Now, to change this division into multiplication, what do? We move 5 up while 27 comes down. So we now have 10 all over 1 times what? 5 all over 27. You understand? So it becomes equals to, you multiply the top 10 times 5 becomes 50. 1 times 27 becomes 27. Becomes 50 all over 27. But this is an improper fraction. Let us try to convert it back into a mixed number. So you put the division sign, you write the numerator inside and the denominator outside. So we now ask ourselves, how many 27 can you find in 50? The answer is 1. 27 times 1 is 27. So what do? How many 27 can we find in 50? 1. You write the 1 up here. Then you now say 27 times 1, 27. You write the 27 under 50. Then you now subtract it from 50. What do we have? 23 as our remainder. So now we can write the mixed number. The one on top here is the whole number. Write one whole number. The remainder, 23, you write it here. 23 all over this 27 here, you write it here. Becomes the final answer becomes one whole number, 23 all over 27. Now that we've done a couple of examples, now try to work this home task on your own and write your answers in the comment section. I will check it out. Our next class will be solving word problems on multiplication and division of fractions. In that particular class, I'm going to be assignments to this home task, after which I will then go on with that class. I hope this lesson was helpful. Thank you for watching and have a great day. See you in the next lesson.